we're gonna have to do a shop tour of here. This is position advance. We'll do that another day. But we're just here right now meeting up first before we go to BBI. They're having like an open house or social club. We're just going for the drive, but I think it's a bunch of Porsche stuff because it's BBI. This is owned by Samir. Samir rolling around with no plates. Let's hear this baby start up. Is this thing stock? He has exhaust on it, right? There he is. He's the owner of the GT4. Where you going, Samir?
Where are you going, my guy?
Are you lost, bro? What do we got here? About the standard fare, what I would expect. He has a sports exhaust button. Everything's already turned on. Traction is off. Your car's pre-warmed up, bro. Ready to go. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hello.
Hey. Hi. Cut. Let's try that
Alright,
again.
cool.
Say hi to your YouTube channel. Oh, you serious? Oh, I thought you were just messing around.
No.
Holy shit. Oh.
There's the owner right here. Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Hey guys, what's up?
This is Samir. Give us a little info.
About the car or about me?
Both.
You. No one cares about the car. No one cares about the car. So I'm Samir, new to OC, and I'm a doctor.
Goddamn street racers. What's up, dude? Are you enjoying this thing or what, dude?
The best.
All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. Say
How
hello.
making me?
Say
It's good. Well, I got the jam for you too.
no, bro. Can't call me right.
This is my high school dream car here.
Is it? I remember we went to the track. He has a Huracan, and we're like, what car should he get as a track car? And didn't we say a white E46 would be the move?
I had my eye on it for a while, and then it took me about 3 years to get it from my friend.
So, have you gone to the track with it yet?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I went to Buttonwillow.
Oh shit, what'd you run?
With Matt.
Where was I? Oh my
I
god,
don't
my shit
know.
was blown up.
I think that's what it was. That was the time
Yeah,
when your car was blown up, and we were. I think it was in the shop, obviously, right?
Yeah. So then, what'd you end up running?
To be honest, I don't even remember the time.
Oh, you don't even know? That's cool. As long as it's fun.
It was overheating like crazy, so it was a bad day. It was like 100.
I mean, this thing's ready to go, dude. It's clean, very clean. Does it have the rear strut like reinforcement?
Yeah, reinforced. It's got
oh, that's good. Oh shit, you got big brakes. What are these? These are not stock brakes.
No, these are all, I think, M3.
Yeah, they're massive. What the hell? They're huge on here.
And then M4 in the back.
M4 in the back. M4 brakes in the back.
Ismail, nice to meet you.
Oh yeah, name is Ismail.
Yeah, so
you are.
I do want 18s.
You do want 18s?
18s right now.
Oh, you're on 19s right now. But, I mean, you could keep these as spare.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, for sure. These are perfect. I love the tires.
John Staley S2000. My car is back. That's loud. Feels good, right?
I'm sorry, I got way into it.
But yeah, so that way when you're shifting, you only take your hand off the wheel for a second.
Dude, this proximity is unbelievable.
Yeah, I love it.
I don't even have to look at anything. I'm literally looking right there.
I guess we're trying to buy shit.
I'm not buying anything. I'm just observing and appreciating the beauty.
Yeah.
Good.
What you drinking there, dude?
That's good.
JDM drink, dog.
Oh, I thought you were drinking a claw before we go driving.
Oh,
I mean, I got incriminating evidence on you right now. Ain't no laws with the claws.
ain't no claw.
Oh wait, I want to try that. That looks bomb. Is that good?
It's a seltzer though. It's good.
Yo, that's good. Yuzu. There's like the lychee flavor and stuff, right?
How did the Type R come out? Beautiful. Dude.
Raj's car. A baby. Damn, this thing is pretty. Damn, this thing is got wrecked. This thing's pretty clean. Yeah, GT3 from bumper. Got a little Varus thing.